get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket, talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it. I've been comma and a comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma, gotta get it, get it.
Hey there, YouTubers. Today, we're doing an unboxing of the uv5r Baofeng radio. So I got my trusty little screwdriver because I couldn't find my knife, and came in from Amazon, and there it is. Baofeng. A little uv5r radio. You get some instructions. Comes in this little cradle. Battery comes not plugged in. Your radio. Your battery's just laying on top of that. You got a nifty little charger here. You got a little earpiece here. This is one of those $21 Amazon specials. You get the antenna with it. You get the little cable. The little deal to put on your radio for a handle. And then you get a little clip to go on the back of your radio. And actually the screws are already in the radio if you try to find the screws. You got your little charger that plugs in right here. You plug it in right there. Plug it into the wall. You just sit that puppy down in that charger and give her a charge. Comes with everything you need to get going for your first ham endeavor. And these can be unlocked for GMRS. I have another video on that. You can unlock them for FIRs and GMRS. Very simple to do. Hey, thanks for watching this little short unpacking of a unpacking of a Baofeng radio, or Baofeng, however you like to pronounce it. But these things are really handy. They're real fun. They're real cheap. I've probably bought 5 of them so far and gave some away. So, yeah, nice little radio. And they do ham channels, and like I said, you can unlock them for GMRS, UHF, VHF little radios. Handy little radio. Alright, like, subscribe, and you have a great day.